And welcome back. Now, there is some contention as to why members of the Jamaican delegation had a 12-hour airport layover en route from the Olympic Games in Japan. Throws coach Julian Robinson, in a social media post, noted that, quote, after flying for approximately 10 hours straight from Japan, we then threw ourselves down into our 12-hour layover. A 5 hours flight followed by a 5-hour layover awaited us. Then finally, an 80-minute flight would take us home to Jamaica, land we love, end quote. Now, when TVJ Sports reached out to track and field team manager to Tokyo, Ludlow Watts, for a comment, he explained that this was no fault of the J3As.
We were the last to come out of Japan. I came in as manager, but things like those details would not have been foremost in my mind because I was doing the technical aspect of preparation of competition and that sort of thing. However, we had spoke with the GOA before we left for the Olympics that there was an instance when there was excessive layover in Los Angeles and we would not want to have a recurrence. If there was such a recurrence, and that would have to be based on tickets because tickets were booked based on prices because I think the GOA had communicated with the travel agency that tickets should not exceed a certain amount. So, I mean, the arrangement would have been made based on cost of tickets plus availability of flights.
Now, calls to the cell phones of both JOA President Christopher Samuda and CEO Ryan Foster went unanswered up to sports time.